May 24th, this is Dave Dispinette with your Benzinga Aftermarket Report. Dow Jones up 33 points, 0.2%. NASDAQ Composite down 10 points, 0.3%. S&P 500 up a point. We continue. We felt there would be a little bounce here. We got a bounce. No volume behind it. Most traders, they're looking forward to a 4-day weekend. I expect the volume to be light tomorrow. I do not expect a lot of people to want to take risk home over the 3-day weekend with problems in Europe still looming. Economic numbers out of Europe and China, neither of which was positive. Greece talking about an orderly default. There's rumors out there that they might default next weekend, as soon as next weekend. I don't think they're going to telegraph it. That's going to bring on a run in the banks, which is going to lead to a lot of problems, which is going to lead to further problems in Spain, Italy, and ultimately our markets. So we believe path of least resistance is still lower. If you have a portfolio that you long, get long, start hedging yourself by shorting some stocks. Names that we like to the short side and actually have a short on. Apple, AAPL, got a nice bounce up towards the 50-day moving average. Not a lot of volume. I think you use the $600 level as your stop loss. The closer to the 580 level, the better your entry to the short side for Apple. Salesforce.com. We used the recent pop on their earnings 3 days ago. We got this nice lift. F5 Networks and VMware both did the same thing. They came out with earnings. They gapped up. They never got those highs again. Now we're rolling over on F5 and VMware. Two names we've already caught to the short side and making money. Here's VMware's gap up. We said get out right here. 115. Now we're at 95. I think Salesforce.com is going to follow in the same path. I think it's a great opportunity to get short Salesforce.com. Verifone, PAY, came out with earnings after the close tonight. They beat earnings by 3 cents. Revenue's better than expected. Their guidance, a little light. Stock is trading down around $41 in the aftermarket. We'll be looking at this stock on a pullback tomorrow. I want to see it find support. I'll bracket the first half hour. Look at it on a 5-minute chart. I think there's a bounce back for 2 or 3 points in Verifone, PAY. Acuity, AQ. This is an IPO, came out at 6. It's been in a nice tight range, building its base. It broke out of that range yesterday. We alerted all of our subscribers to it, and then it added yet another solid 8.5–9% move today. AQ, another name we like. This is more as an investment, but USHS, U.S. Home Systems. This company manufactures specialty home improvement products for kitchen and bath cabinet refacing, organization, storage systems for both the house, the garage. Recaptured the 50-day moving average. We made a ton of money. This is one of our favorite stocks under 10 back last fall. Ran it from 6. Jumped down around 12, cursed it while it went to 15, but now it's back in a beautiful bottoming pattern. You use the $7.75 as your stop loss. U.S. Home Systems looks really good. Fusion IO, top holding in our fund. Basing here at $20. Doesn't mean it can't go lower, but this is one gun to head. If you had to buy one stock, Fusion IO is one we continue to like. And for the traders out there, Shuffle Master, SHFL. This company manufactures entertainment products for casinos, including shufflers and proprietary table games. They also made a couple acquisitions to increase their presence in the online poker market. They're expected to have earnings come out a week from this Monday. That's June 4th. This is a company we think they're going to have a great earnings. Earnings a volatile time for a stock. Shuffle Master's had a heck of a run since we started buying it back in the low single digits, but take a look at those $16 call options. I bought some of those today for 60 cents for Shuffle Master into their earnings report. That's it for the stock playbook for tonight. I'll talk to you soon.